Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how to send a video through email. If you find this helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, we need to open up our internet browser. And I'll be showing you how to do this today using a Gmail account. So I'm just going to come across to my gmail.com. Okay, so once that's loaded through, what you're going to do first of all is just click Compose up here in the top left hand corner. And that's going to bring up the new message box. So there's two ways to send a video file through Gmail. The first way, if you're familiar with Google Drive, what you can do is actually send a video from your Google Drive. And what you would need to do is click this button down here. If you send a video this way, what's going to happen? It's not going to actually send the video file, it's going to send a link to the video file on the Google Drive. And whoever you send that to will be able to click onto that link. They'll be directed to the video on Google Drive. And from there, they'll be able to download the video. If you want to send a video from your PC, so if you've got a video saved on your PC that you want to upload and send through, what you're going to need to do is click onto this icon here, the little paper clip, which says attach files. Now, if the video is 25 megabytes or under, if it's a short video, what's going to happen? It's going to attach the video file to the email and just send that directly through. If the video is quite a big file, it's longer and it's above 25 megabytes, what it's going to do is going to actually upload it to your Google Drive, and it's going to send a link. It's going to paste the link in the email, which again they'll be able to click on, get to the Google Drive to see the video and download it from there. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.